Hi, my name's Shelley. I've just discovered this beautiful stitch recently, so using double knitting yarn and a 4mm hook, we're going to chain a multiple of 6 stitches plus 2. So I'm going to do 32, I think, yeah, 32. So the first row couldn't be simpler. It's working a US single or a UK double crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then into every chain until you reach the end. The great thing about this pattern, it's literally a row of double crochet or single crochet if you're American, and then one row of pattern alternating, so it's pretty much a one pattern repeat, and it's beautiful. So we're going to start the pattern now, and we're going to begin with a chain 3, and then you're going to count, miss the first double or single crochet at the bottom of the chain 3, miss the next 2, and then into the next one work a double treble or a US treble, and then you're going to hook the yarn, and then you're going to go underneath the arch you've just made, and you're going to work a treble or a US double crochet into the 2 missed stitches. So that was 1 and 2, and into the next stitch we'll work. Now, if you see here, your double treble or treble goes into this stitch, so we need to treble or double crochet into the next stitch. And then for the next combination, we're going to count 1 stitch and miss it, and we're going to do a treble or double crochet into the next 2 stitches. This time we're going to double treble, US treble, into the 1 stitch at the front. Double treble or treble into the 1, 2, 3rd stitch. So 1, 2, 3. A double treble, and then hook the yarn, going behind the arch. We're going to do a treble into the first stitch. Double treble or US treble into the stitch that we missed, and treble or US double treble, sorry, into the third stitch, and then we're going to yarn over and go around the back and underneath the arch. Two missed stitches, US double crochets, treble or US double crochet into the next stitch, and then we're going to last one stitch, UK treble, US double, and then we're going to work a double treble into and then we're going to go around the back again and work a treble or US double into those two missed stitches. And then just end with a treble into the last stitch. And so that's the pattern. So all you need to do is do another row of double or US single crochet and then repeat the row I've just shown you, and you will end up with something that looks a bit like this, which I think is so pretty. And I think that's us done. See you next time. Bye.